de nos plus beaux jours. Que cet instant dure des heures, puis le reste n'est plus peur. En ce moment, rien ne sera comme avant. S'éveillera que pour l'eau de nos plus beaux jours, que cet instant dure.
Wendy just fell down so bad. She hit her head. I'm so pained that I couldn't even protect her. Kiss, kiss, mama. Wendy. Yo, so we're already at my sister's place. Everybody have gone to church. It's just Wendy and I are home. I can't do anything. I'm trying to like leave her so she could sit down for me to tidy up the mess that we created. But she fell down and hit her head. So I don't want to do anything again. I'm just going to sit down here and wait for everybody to come back so that they can at least give me a hand to do other things. Give me a hand with the baby so I can tidy up the mess that we created. I miss Praise and I miss Antonia, but this is highly needed. I just needed to be away from my own environment and just get away from me giving instruction, do this and do just from our daily life routine. I'll be going back very soon. I'm not going to stay long. So I'll send for Antonia and Praise to come back home. The reason I'm able to be happy here is because I know they are in a very safe hand. I didn't leave them alone at home because based on a friend's advice, she advised that I shouldn't leave the kids alone in a new environment. I'm yet to study and understand the place, so I had to. That's the reason I sent them to my sister. They had wanted to be home alone because they just want to enjoy the freedom of me not being there to guide them, tell them do this. But for their own good, I sent them to my sister. So it's just two of us here bonding. Baby, does this girl really looks like me? She doesn't want to look like me. My baby is growing really fast, and I cannot wait for her to fully grow so I can have the freedom to do other things, enough to provide for them, for her and her sister and her cousin Antonia. I just can't wait for her to fully grow to a stage where I can wake up in the morning and just hurriedly leave the house and then come back even late in the evening and not be bothered much. You get it? It's not easy to be a mom, and it's not like I'm not being grateful. I'm very grateful that this kid came into my life, okay? But it feels like it's harder than I had imagined. It's harder, when you are doing it all alone. Please don't tag me a complaint person, okay? This whole thing is not easy. Mm. I grew up like this where my mom had to take care of us all by herself, and she became very abusive, especially to me, because she felt like I caused her all the pain for being born a woman. And you know so I don't want to take that part. I don't want to take that part. That's the reason why I might just be okay with these two kids. Just forget it. Plus my adopted Antonia, three of them. If I can take good care of them, they will never forget me. You get it? Antonia is not my biological child, but I believe that if I take good care of her, if I can be a great auntie, she is forever gonna be um grateful, and she's gonna be there for my kids and even for my old self in future. All right, guys, I'll be doing a little bit of unboxing. My brother sent me some things all the way from where he is. I'm going to do unboxing of those things for you guys to see. But I'll have to wait for my sister to come back from church so that I can hold the baby, and then so that I can show you guys the items that my brother sent me.
Du fühlst dich, als hättest du komplett versagt. Du hast wieder mal einen schlechten Tag gehabt. Doch er kommt nie wieder zurück. Du siehst alte Freunde ziehen an dir vorbei. Du bist sicher, Glück zieht niemals bei dir ein. Doch es kommt wieder, ja es kommt wieder zurück. Deine Erde wird sich weiter drehen, denn nichts bleibt wie es ist. Und am Ende wird es Sinn ergeben, denn nichts bleibt wie es ist. Kopfsprung ins Ungewisse, wir kleben alle Rissen. Schau nur nach vorn, wir sind noch lange nicht verloren. Es wird weitergehen, denn nichts bleibt wie es ist. Morgen sieht die Welt schon wieder anders aus. Bau dir einen Palast aus deinem Kartenhaus. Und es fällt nie wieder zusammen.
I was telling you that this is my house. What are you saying? Eh? This is not my house. Look at this girl. This girl is a criminal. She's helping me to lie. That's my girl. Daniela is helping me to lie. I said it's my house and Daddy said it's my house. Is that my house?
Yes.
Oh my god. This house is so cute, honestly. I spent so much money building this house right in my dream. Ma, he's 6 months. 6 months. Yes, and a week. You are spoiling my video. I'm telling people about my house. You are there calling me by my name. House owner, do they call them like that? Yeah, yeah. She just shouts my name. What is that? Guys, this house is beautiful. It's adorable. I'm telling you. I can't give you a proper shot of it because I'm trespassing. I'm just doing this from my sister's apartment. You guys, I just can't wait to move in. I wish it's mine. It's not my house, so I'm joking. I just saw it and it's neighboring to my sister's apartment. So that's why I'm like, okay, wow, why don't I just show it to you guys? It's beautiful. Absolutely cute. Yo, so these are the things that my brother sent for me. I just got them now from my sister. Let me show it to you guys. So let me start with this. Oh, this is for Wendy. Oh my god, I'm so grateful for this. This is the top and this is the pants. Oh, polo. And this is another outfit for Wendy. I'm so grateful for these things. My god, my baby legit has no clothes at all. Like, I couldn't buy her anything since I gave birth to her. It's been like a very sad thing for me anytime I look at her and I feel so guilty. Despite the fact that she got so much monetary gifts from people, from content creators, from everywhere, I couldn't get her gift. But I'm so glad that this came for her. I love this one. It's so soft and this is a perfect size. Year-old baby. The other one is 2 years. Yeah, this is 1 to 2 years, but it looks small. This is going to fit Wendy perfectly. I love it. Also, okay, this is for me. Oh, this is, sorry guys, you know me, I love to keep things real. I already opened this last night just to see what is inside and realized that it's a roll-on. Fresh Care Citrus Roll-on. Minyank again. Aromatherapy. Yo, thank you. This gorgeous necklace. This is a necklace. I cannot wait to rock this one. I cannot wait to start using it and film YouTube videos. I love it. What is this? This is a mascara. Oh my god. This is mascara, guys. I wish I could just open it, but I'm filming with one hand. Oh my gosh. Oh my guys. If you are into makeup, that I you will know the importance of these things, guys. For someone to support you this way, it's crazy. Another one. Oh my god. Another mascara. I can't wait to do a review on them. They are so beautiful. Then here again. Aww, this is pin for Wendy, hair pin. This is another hair pin for Wendy. I'm going to give one to Praise and give one to Wendy. I love it. These are masks. Do you understand? This is Bio Essential Bio Energy Complex. Thank you. It's, everybody got something, but these are my own share, and I'm so grateful. Thank you.